Honorable Speaker, Sri Surjanayan Patra, Honorable Deputy Speaker, Honorable Minister, Parliamentary Affairs, Honorable Leader of the Opposition, Honorable Government Chief Whip, Secretary OLA, Director, Pride, Lok Sabha Secretariat, and esteemed participants. I am delighted to attend this orientation program for the honorable members of the 16th Odisha Legislative Assembly, jointly organized by the Lok Sabha Secretariat and the Odisha Legislative Assembly. I thank the Honorable Speaker of the OLA and Director Pride, Lok Sabha Secretariat, for this initiative. A country of many diversities, Indian democracy continues to get stronger by each passing year. The roots of our successful democracy lie in our people and their unflinching faith in democratic values. They are the real masters in a democracy, I believe. Every elected representative must understand this. In whatever position you may be, the people are supreme. Therefore, elected representatives should keep the common people at the center of all initiatives. The primary function of the legislature is to make laws. An appetite for information and education on the legislative procedures and understanding socio-economic issues and policies will certainly help. All our acts and policies are essentially directed at greater public good. The legislature should also endeavor to bring the acts and policies to the public domain so that people can be the real partners in the process of change. Raising issues of public importance is a basic norm of our democracy. Democratic dissent is a right. However, while exercising this right, legislators must not forget democratic decency. At no circumstances, democratic dissent should cast a shadow on democratic decency. Finally, the most significant point for a people's representative is that he or she must lead by example. Simplicity should be at the core of our public behavior. Leading a simple life can help us to be connected to the people. Thank you. Bande Utkal Janani.